Introducing the skyVac Squeegee. This tool has been designed to access high-level window panes both internally and externally. The Squeegee is compatible with our 50mm poles, including our skyVac Elite poles. Once you've applied the cleaning solution to the glass with your existing window cleaning tools, connect your skyVac Squeegee to your poles and activate your vacuum. You will effortlessly remove everything from the window, leaving you with a spotless, streak-free finish. Using the Squeegee with your vacuum boosts efficiency and minimizes the cleanup time after finishing the job. Also featuring an adjustable angle to allow you easy access and a satisfying clean, no matter what the angle of the window is. You can also easily clean on sills and ledges to allow you that professional finish.